Assalamu alaikum. So, welcome to the third lecture of this semester. So, last lecture function. Okay. So, what is function? Let me repeat again. A function f. A function f is a rule that assigns to each element x in the set D exactly one element called fx in the set E. Okay. What is function? Function is a rule that assigns to each element x in set D exactly one element called fx in set E, right? That is called function. So last lecture I defined this and I gave some examples of functions. Okay. So today I will give some Rasambyani, some graphs of functions. Okay. So now look over here. This number B, for the function gx equal to x square. Okay, gx equal to x square. You can write fx equal to x square, gx equal to x square, hx equal to x square, same thing, no change. Function means fx is x square or gx is x square, the same thing. We have a table as shown below. Okay, so for the Rasambyani, first you have to find some values, input, output, and then draw the Rasambyani, draw the graph of function. So look here, first you make this table. So function this, you know this function here given, function gx equal to x square, x tarbiya hada function. Okay, so first you have to choose input yani x. Okay, and output yani gx, output gx yani y. Okay, this gx you can write this way, y isavi gx, y isavi gx or y isavi fx, same thing, y isavi gx or y isavi fx, same thing. So y isavi gx isavi x tarbiya other function, x tarbiya, this is the function. Okay, so first you choose this input x and then find output y from here, from this canon, from this function, right? So first input you can choose by yourself, small numbers, sagir numbers you can choose input, right? So first I am taking input, look, input I am taking this -2, this is small number -2. Okay, so take -2. So here if you put -2 here, y is g, x is -2 yani -2 here equal to here -2 tarbiya. So -2 tarbiya come, -2 tarbiya equal to here, -2 tarbiya equal to 4. This is 4. Okay, so x is input -2, output come, output 4, right? Now look here, input take this input yani x yusavi -1, then output come x yusavi -1, then output this, output wahid from here, right? Now input take this x yusavi 0, x 0 here, this x yusavi 0. Okay, so x 0 tarbiya yani 0 hada, input 0 then output 0, right? After that you take input 1, x yusavi 1. Okay, so x yusavi 1 here, so wahid tarbiya yani wahid, input 1, output 1, right? Now take 2, x yusavi 2, input 2, then output come, input 2 here, then 2 terbiya, output hada 4. Input 2, y is here, g of 2 is equal to 2 terbiya. 2 terbiya is equal to 4. Okay, this is 4. So input 2, output 4. Okay, so now you have some numbers, some idea. Take these numbers and draw on the coordinate axis, right? So look over here, how to draw these numbers. See, first look over here, 0, 0, x 0, input 0, output 0. So 0, 0 here, this point 0, 0, right? After that, what is the point here? You take this, wahid, wahid. Wahid, wahid means here, x wahid, input and output wahid, wahid, wahid. Okay, so x equal to wahid, x is 1 hada, x is 1 hada, and y is 1, y is 1 hada. Okay, so connect these points, x wahid hada, connect this here, and y is wahid hada, connect this. So this point is e, hada point is e. Okay, so this point is 1, 1, 1, 1. This point hada, right? After that, next point is here, 2, 4, x is 2 and y is come 4, x2, y4. So x2 hada, x2 means 2 here is e, 2 is e here, x is 2 hada, and y is 4, y is 4 is e hina, y is 4 hina. Okay, so connect these points, connecting these here and connecting these 2, 2, 4, 2, 4 connecting, so easy hada, this point. So this point is 2, 4. Look here, written 2, 4. Okay. Now come left side, SR. X isavi sali wahid. X isavi sali wahid. Y isavi come wahid. So X isavi sali wahid hina. X isavi sali wahid hina. Okay. And Y isavi wahid. Y isavi wahid hada. This point. Connect this. This one and this one. Point is hada. This point. So x isavi sali 1 and y isavi wahid, this point. Okay. After that, x isavi minus 2. X isavi minus 2. So minus 2 is hina. X isavi minus 2 hada. And y isavi come. Y isavi arba. Arba yani hada. Y isavi arba hada. Mojab arba hada. Y isavi. So connect this point. This one and connect this 2. Is hada. This point. Yani here x isavi minus 2 and y isavi 4. This point is e. Hada is e. This point, right? After that, connect all the points. You will get the Rasambyani. Okay. So let me connect. This point is e. Hada 1, 1. Hada 2, 4. Hada salib 1. Hada salib itnain arba. Okay. Connect these points. So when connecting these points, you will get this Rasambyani. Connecting these points, you will get this Rasambyani. Okay? You will get this Rasambyani. Okay? Like that. So this is the Rasambyani of x terbiya. Gx equal to, if Gx equal to x terbiya. Okay? Other nafs of function uktu this way. Gx yani y. Function Gx yani y is avi x terbiya. Other same thing. Don't confuse. This and this same. Y is avi x terbiya or Gx is avi x terbiya. Not so. Right? Okay. So x terbiya. Domain of x terbiya. If any function, polynomial function, x terbiya, x power talata, x power arba, x power khamsa, if any function like that, okay, so all the time domain this, minus infinity to infinity, okay. Since the function is polynomial means x terbiya, x power talata, x power arba, x power khamsa, this type of function is called polynomial. Okay, so this is polynomial x tarbiya. So all the time domain this x is a minus infinity ila infinity. So domain hada here mojab infinity and here salib infinity hada domain. Okay, why? Because so father this rasambiyani going fog yani hada going infinity mojab infinity, and here going fog yani this left side this going minus infinity. So hada domain rasambiyani expanded on the x line from minus infinity to plus infinity, expanded on the x line mean salib infinity ila mojab infinity on the x line. This expanded like that, going here and going here. Okay, so domain is minus infinity to plus infinity. Okay, after that, see here some basic functions, the graph of some basic functions. Okay, these are the standard functions. You have to remember the graph all the time. Okay, you have to remember the graphs of these functions all the time in your mind. Okay, when you see this function, then you think about this, that the graph of this function is this. Okay, like if you have this function, see, if you have this function y is x, means hada y is x yani y is fx. Okay, and fx is x hada, this is the meaning. Okay, uktub y is x or uktub fx is x, this same thing, right? So if function this y is x or fx is x, then rasam bayani hada straight line. See, khat mustaqim, see the line from going from this point 0, going from this point 0 and straight. Javiya here 45 degree. Okay, hada Javiya angle 45 degree, making 45 degree angle from x axis. Okay, so if function this y is x, hada rasam bayani, you have to remember. See the line, straight line. Okay, now you know this y is x tarbiya. You have seen now the rasam bayani of x tarbiya hada. You have seen now going hada fog, here going fog like that. Okay, so this is the rasam bayani of x tarbiya. Okay, this one, this going not end here, mafi finish here, rather going fog. You take number here, then this will come here. You take number here, then point will come here, like that. Here going alatul fog, and hala going alatul fog up to where? Up to infinity. Here mojab infinity. Okay, hala mafi stop hina. This is for only some points. Here minus talata. Here minus talata and here tissa, like that. If here still minus talata, then eg in a tissa, then this will go like that. Okay, x is salib talata, y is kam salib talata tarbiya yani tissa, right? So it's going for this way and this is going for this way. Yes, if x is salib arba, so y is kam sitta 16, so going for this way. Okay, don't stop here. And same hada going alatul on the infinity, going alatul on the infinity, and hada tahat going alatul on where? Minus infinity, this way. Yes, tahat going here minus infinity, and this fog going mojab, fog yani mojab and tahat yani salib. Y coordinate tahat salib and fog mojab, right? Okay, but here this going fog yani mojab infinity, and this going fog yani hada going mojab infinity. Okay, so now look, this point, this rasam yani tahat kam तहत ही ना small. This rasam byani तहत small number come, small number 0, and fog come infinity. So rasam byani come here. Range suf on the small on the rasam byani on the graph sagir number hada, on the rasam byani sagir number hada sifar, and on the rasam byani kabir number come hada going to kabir fog yani infinity. So range from 0 to infinity this way. Okay, I will discuss this all further, but here you have to understand only the rasam byani graph. Okay, now look here. If function is like this, y isavi x power talata, yani y isavi x power talata yani fx isavi x power talata, same thing. Okay, fx isavi x power talata this way. Okay, y yani y isavi fx and fx isavi come x power talata if this function, right? Then what is the rasam byani? Rasam byani this way. Hada going fog, this going fog like that, and this going tahat like that, going tahat like that. Okay, this going mojab infinity. Okay, this going to mojab infinity, and this tahat going to salib infinity, right? This way. So this is the rasam byani of x power talata. Rasam byani of x power talata hada this way, going this going this like that, right? This is the rasam byani of x power talata. Now, if you have this y isavi wahid ala x, this is called reciprocal function. Y isavi wahid ala x, yani fx isavi fx equal to 1 by x. If this function 1 by x, okay, then this is the rasam byani. Yes, 1 by x. Then this is the rasam byani. Hada rasam byani. Okay, just remember this. You have to remember these graphs, right? These are the standard graphs. You have to remember all the time. Okay, when you see y dala x, then keep in mind the rasam byani of this is this one. If x tarbiya is e, then think about that. The rasam byani x tarbiya is like that. X tarbiya is like that. Okay. Now look here. Yes, this function y isavi jadar x, yani fx isavi jadar x. Hada. If function is this jadar x, so jadar x means rasam byani hada. You start from here. You start from sifar and going this way. Going this way. Okay. Here going where? Here going mojab infinity. Oh, right? You start from 0 and going here. Going to mojab infinity. Right? Going this way. Okay. So this is the rasam byani of jadar x. You have to remember jadar x. Okay. Okay. Now look over here. See this. Jadar x and here mojud talata. Okay. This is opposite of this. Opposite of this. X power talata. If you see this way. This one. Then the rasam byani this way. Going this and here going. It's going this way. Right. This is the rasam byani of third root. This is the root of jadar x. Okay. So you have to remember these graphs. Y equal to x this, y isavi x tarbiya this, x power talata this, wahid ala x this, jadar x this, and third root of jadar x. Third root of x. This one you have to remember. Right? Now come to the next point. Example number 3. See this example 3. Now you have to find the domain of each of the following function. You have to find the domain, right? So how to find the domain of this function? Now look here. Number 1, just keep in mind whenever मौजूद jadar in the function, whenever मौजूद this jadar in the function, then how to find the domain? Okay, how to find the domain? Say this. Let me explain. If jua in jadar mafi salib, all the time positive number, maybe sifar and maybe mojab number jua. Okay, jua mafi hada. This jua jadar mafi minus talata hada not defined. Okay, right? This not defined. Jadar salib not defined. Okay, not real number. Then what to do? How to find the domain? Okay, how to find the domain of this function? If here मौजूद jadar, okay, then see this here written, since the square root yani jadar of negative number, jadar of salib number is not defined as a real number. Okay, therefore thus the domain given function is, see what to do here. So Fina, jua मौजूद x plus 2. Okay, if jadar मौजूद and jua मौजूद x plus 2, jua any number, then seal this x plus 2. How to write? X plus 2, take this x plus 2, take this always akbar yusawi sifar, hada kanun for the jadar. Okay, see this x plus 2, jua मौजूद x plus 2, so x plus 2, seal this x plus 2 akbar yusawi 0 and baden hal. So here written, look here written x plus 2 akbar isawi sifar. Okay, so that is hina mawjud hada mojab. So seal yamin mojab itnain seal yamin. So what will happen if you take mojab itnain yamin? So this will be salib x akbar isawi salib itnain hada. So hada domain. Okay, and this means what? X akbar isawi salib itnain, right? So domain, you know this. X akbar isawi salib itnain. Other line. See this. This is the line. If salib itnain here, okay? X isawi salib itnain. X isawi salib itnain hada salib itnain. Okay? And X akbar. Akbar means salib itnain. So akbar means salib itnain. Yasar walla yamin. Akbar all the time yamin, you know. X akbar mean salib itnain. So akbar hina, akbar this side, hina salib itnain, akbar this side, right? Okay, so right up to here, up to mojab infinity. Okay, so x isawi salib itnain and x akbar means salib itnain. So akbar means salib itnain up to where? Akbar up to here plus infinity. So this is the domain this way. So this means x akbar isawi salib itnain means hada, this one. X isawi minus 2 and x akbar mean minus 2, yani mojab infinity this. So this is the interval, this is the domain, right? See another example. If I take here, yes, if I take here another example, look over here. I'm taking this. If you have this, another example, I'm taking this C. Fx equal to jadar 3 minus x, if hada function. Okay, then how to find the domain? Same way, tarika same. If jadar मौजूद, tarika same, rule same. Jadar talata minus x hina मौजूद. So seal hina, how to write? Talata salib x akbar yasawi mean sifar hada. This is the rule. Now look here, talata, so hada hina मौजूद salib x. So salib x seal yamin. So akbar yasawi mojab x. So talata akbar isawi, or what is the meaning of this? Meaning of this, x asgar isawi mean talata hada and hada same. Okay, So x يساوي 3 and x أصغر من 3. كيف أكتب؟ So if here line موجود هذا, so if here this is 3, if this point is 3, x يساوي 3, okay? And بعدين x أصغر من 3. أصغر means what? يسار ولا يمين? يسار, this side, أصغر this side. Yes, up to where? Up to here, up to minus infinity. Okay. X أصغر من 3. X أصغر من 3 यानी left side, يسار, this side, كله number. Okay. So up to where? To solve infinity. So this will be, what is the interval here? So this interval will be like that. Here, sorry, x يساوي 3 and أصغر من 3 यानी يسار, this side, this one, minus infinity, other interval. So this x يساوي 3 and x أصغر من 3, this one. This is the domain. So if function هذا, if function this, domain this. Same way, तरीका same like this. Here x plus 2 akbar isavi 0. X plus 2 greater than or equal to 0. And here 3 minus x greater than or equal to 3 minus x greater than or equal to 0. Right? This way. Okay. So if here jadar mawjood, then all the time you will do like that. Juwa number seal akbar isavi means sifar and baden hal. E.g. x baden hal is the domain, right? So this is for jadar. Okay. Now if you here look, see this function number 2, gx isavi wahid ala x tarbiya salib x, if this is the function. Okay, right? Here jadar mafi, but kisma wahid ala, here kisma mawjood. Okay, so if kisma mawjood, how to find the domain? Now look, you know that if here wahid mawjood, if wahid ala sifar, if taqsim sifar, not defined, no rakam hakiki, wahid ala sifar, no number, not defined. Okay, so if kisma mawjood, lazim tahat maafi sifar. Okay, delete sifar. So if this type of function mawjood, wahid ala, so tahat maafi sifar. So what is the kanun? See this, tahat kam mawjood, ina tahat mawjood x tarbiya salib x tarbiya salib x mawjood tahat, right? So look here, how to solve this? x tarbiya salib x tahat, this seal this tahat mawjood x tarbiya salib x, right? Other not 0. Yeah, other not 0. Maafi sifar. This is the rule. If kisma mawjood, this is kanun. Look here. So tahat mawjood x tarbiya salib x. So seal hada x tarbiya salib x maafi sifar. And baden hal. So look here. How to solve this? X seal mushtarak. X min hina and x min hina. Seal mushtarak. So x here seal mushtarak. So kam bagi hina wahid x bagi and hina x seal mushtarak. So hina bagi wahid and hada maafi sifar, right? Do you understand? So from here this x, hada x, this x maafi sifar, and from here x minus 1 maafi sifar. So from here, see, hada salib wahid seal yamin. So come, x isavi x not equal to 1. In a salib wahid seal yamin. So 1, mojab 1. So what is the domain? Domain kullo rakam hakiki, but x maafi sifar and x maafi wahid. Okay, because if seal x sifar, then tahat is 0. if seal x يساوي واحد then تحت is 0 and 0 kisma 0 not defined, right? So same thing written here. See this number B here x minus 1 division by 0 is not permitted. Kisma 0 is not permitted. So gx is not defined when tahat x sifar and tahat x wahid they are not defined. So you cannot take x savi sifar and x savi wahid in the domain. So domain, how to write domain? Here written kullu rakam hakiki x, but x mafi sifar, x mafi wahid. Okay. And how to write this? How to write this? If x mafi sifar and x mafi wahid, then how to write domain? Kullo rakam hakiki start minina, kullo rakam hakiki start minina, salib kullo yani from here minus infinity and baden hala sifar mafi. So sifar mafi. So take here sifar and this open, this bracket open yani this sifar mafi mawjood and baden seal union hada and seal this bracket open yani and start again means sifar hina. This bracket यानी सिफर माफी मौजूद and بعدين هذا वाहिद माफी मौजूद so seal هذا वाहिद and seal this bracket यानी वाहिद माफी मौजूद again seal hina union and again start mean here वाहिद this bracket यानी वाहिद माफी मौजूद and بعدين वाहिद هذا موجب infinity this one. So this is the domain. This way right here मौजूद the domain. Okay. Understand this? Yeah, tell me. Yes, okay. Okay. So see this. If tahat mawjood like that function, so tahat function seal mafi sifar. Yani mafi sifar. Tahat function seal this way. X tarbiya minus x. Hada kanun for domain. Hada mafi sifar. And badin hal. So badin hal hada kam easy. X mafi 0 and x mafi wahid. Bagi kullo rakam hakiki in the domain. Fakat sifar and wahid. Okay. So if sifar mafi, so sifar ruktu hina sifar and this bracket open. Yani sifar mafi mawjood. And again start from sifar and wahid mafi mawjood. So seal wahid and this bracket union again seal hina wahid and then this infinity. Here written same thing. Okay, this way. And for the jadar, you know, for the jadar, what I told you, for the jadar mawjood, sub jua number and seal akbar isawi 0 hada x plus 2 akbar isawi 0 hada kanun for jadar, right? And hada kanun for kisma. So tahat x minus 1. How to write this x minus 1? Look here. Let me explain. See this. Here mawjood x tarbiya minus x and I'm writing this not 0. So look, in x tarbiya means what? X tarbiya means x dar x. This is the meaning of x tarbiya. This x tarbiya means what? X dar x and salib x hina mawjood. Okay, right? And this is not 0. Okay, so this x and this x hada mushtarak, still mushtarak. So hada x mean hina and hada x mean hina, still mushtarak am. So x easy barra hada. So kam bagi hina bagi this x. Okay, and hina bagi minus hada x barra mushtarak. So hina kam bagi wahid. And this equal to come 0 this way. Understand this? Yes, this way mushtarak. Okay, thank you. Okay, right? Yes. So this is the domain. of if this मौजूद जदर then this कानून use and if किस्मा मौजूद then तहत सील this सील माफी सिफर هذا माफी सिफर and بعدين हल. Okay, now come to the next point. So before going, let me solve more questions on domain. Okay, let me take more questions on domain. See this, I am taking. Oh, I'm sorry, I forget to upload today. Inshallah, I will upload on the Blackboard everything, right? These notes I will upload on the Blackboard today, inshallah. Everything, don't worry. Because this is the first week, so all students are not coming. From the next week, all students will come. So inshallah today I will upload everything, right? Now see this. If you have this function, I'm talking about here domain. Okay, this all questions for domain. How to find the domain, right? How to find the domain. So number one, find domain. Find domain. This is the question. Okay. So number one, if we have this function fx equal to this, whether two x minus 3, if this function, then how to find? Yes, how to find the domain? Look here, see the solution. Here जदर मौजूद तहत जुआ कम मौजूद 2x minus 3. Okay, 2x minus 3, right? Then how to find? This is 2x minus 3. See this way. Akbar is Avi, not 0. This is jadar. So jadar मुख्तलिफ कानून. If jadar मौजूद sub जुआ कम 2x minus 3. So 2x minus 3. Seal this. Akbar Isavi means sifar. Akbar Isavi sifar. This is the rule. Okay. So here look. 2x هذا سالب 2 سالب 3 सील यमीन. So this will be موجب 3 هنا plus and بعدين هنا موجود 2, right? So تقسيم كله किस्मा. So 2x على 2 أكبر يساوي 3 على 2. So 2 cancel. كم باقي? x أكبر يساوي 3 على 2 هذا. Okay. So domain, what is domain? x يساوي 3 على 2 and x أكبر من 3 على 2. So كيف اكتب? See this line. This one. if هنا موجود 3 على 2. So x أكبر من 3 على 2. أكبر means what? يمين. Up to where? Up to موجب infinity. Okay. So هذا 3 على 2 and up to where? Up to here. موجب infinity. Okay. So this means this bracket x يساوي 3 على 2 and x أكبر من 3 على 2. When أكبر يعني يمين. Up to where? Up to this. Up to موجب infinity. So this is the domain. This is the domain of this function. Jadar 2x minus 3. Okay. So domain come. Domain of this function. Domain of this function. df यानी domain of function. Equal to come 3 على 2 up to موجب infinity. This is the domain, right? Do you understand this? Okay. Okay. Now see another question. Okay. See another question. Right. See question number 2. This is also for domain. Question number 2. Okay. A function is this. Function equal to ज़दर. Here मौजूद तलाता x and plus 5. Then how to find the domain? Look here. What is the rule? Again ज़दर मौजूद. So जुआ कम तलाता x plus 5. So seal this. तलाता x plus 5. Yes, akbar isawi means 0. Okay. So how to solve this? Look here. तलाता x. هنا موجود موجب 5. So موجب 5 सील यमीन. يجي سالب 5. Right? And after that what to do? هنا موجود तलाता x. اسمه तलाता. تقسيم तलाता. أكبابي سالب 5 على तलाता هذا. صح؟ So 3 cancel. كم باقي؟ باقي x أكبر يساوي سالب 5 على 3. Okay. So look here. x يساوي سالب 5 على 3 and x أكبر من سالب 5 على 3. So what is the meaning? هنا موجود سالب 5 على 3. x يساوي سالب 5 على 3 and أكبر means this side يمين. موجب أكبر means يمين. Up to where? Up to this. موجب plus infinity. هذا. Okay. So this is the domain. This is the domain of this function. Right? Understand? Okay. Now see one more question. See one more question. Number 3. If I take here function fx equal to wahid ala x minus 2 and here x minus 3. What is कानून for this? Here जदर माफी मौजूद. Here मौजूद किस्मा. Right? Then how to find the domain? For the domain seal तहत कम मौजूद x minus इतनेन x minus 3. So x minus इतनेन هذا and x minus 3 هذا. Yes, not equal to 0. It's not equal to 0. هذا कानून. If किस्मा मौजूद in this कानून. So here from here x minus इतनेन माफी 0 and from here x minus 3 माफी 0. Right? So from here هنا सालिब इतनेन सील यमीन. So easy इतनेन x माफी इतनेन. Okay. And from here x माफी 3 موجب 3. Okay. So domain यानी कुल रकम हकीकी. But هذا माफी x माफी इतनेन and x माफी 3. Right? How to write the domain? You start from here. सालिब infinity and बारेन इतनेन माफी यानी उक्तब हिना इतने and seal this bracket open यानी इतनेन माफी and बादेन seal this union. Okay. And again start from itne, seal this bracket open. Okay. And baden this talata mafi yani seal this bracket. Okay. And union again seal start mean talata again talata here and this bracket. Right? and up to where? Up to measure of infinity, this way. Not this bracket. هذا माफी because इतने माफी मौजूद यानी open this. Okay, हिना this bracket यानी मौजूद, this bracket is उक्तु इतने यानी इतने मौजूद हिना. If this open uktu, yani itnen maafi mawjood. So fina x maafi itnen. So open, right? This way. Yes, right. So this is the domain. Okay. So today I will stop here. Any problem, ask me. Okay. So today I explained two rules. If jadar mawjood and if kisma mawjood, then for the jadar one kanun, उक्तब अकबर इसावी सिफर, and if किस्मा मौजूद सील तहत सील माफी सिफर and बादेन हल, and then you will get the domain. Okay, right? Okay, so today I will stop here, and thank you for joining this session. We will see next week, inshallah. Right? So from the next week, the lecture will be the full fledged, no stop, full fledged lecture, inshallah, from the next week. Right? Okay. Goodbye. Masalama.